Hello guys, ito na nga. Welcome to Boston Cotton Candy Maker. First time ng mga kids namin mag-try ng cotton candy. Let's see what's gonna happen. Ito na, choose na sila kung anong gusto nila. Let's pick and see. Happy kiddo. Ito, ang daddy nila nagpipindot na. Let's choose. Heart or flower? Which one do you want? We choose the heart shape for cotton candy. And our daddy is gonna pay for it. Only credit card is... Oh, cash only, I mean. Grabe guys, it's $15 para lang sa cotton candy. Let's see. Oh my God. But it's worth it. Basta happy ang kids. Ang parents. Pulubi later. Meron nga guys. It's time to pay. And voila! Ito na, nag-start na yung cotton candy. Tuwan-tuwa ang kids pa noodin kung paano gawin ang cotton candy machine. Let's see.
Wow! Just naman!
Ba't kayo ipon?
Wow! Just naman! That's the heart. That's the heart. Wow! See that?
Ito na nga guys, it's almost done. Yay! We're gonna pick up cotton candy. Let's pick it up. Ta-da! Let's go! Go ate, go ate. Wow! That looks good. The heart shape. Nice.
Mamaya, bibigyan.
And here is the second one for another $15.
Dahan-dahan kuya ha.
We spent $30 for 2 cotton candy machine. Basta happy ang kids, happy ang parents. I love you, we love you.
Oh.
Stop! Same! Okay? Bye, Trio!
Ito na nga guys, ang finished product natin, heart shape for our little one. And the second one is a flower shape. I hope you support our video. It's not. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.